Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Now, to create your event, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then add a title. Click on this smiley face and set up the best picture for your event. In my case, those two glasses. You can also select color the same way. Now tap on starting hour, set up the best one for you, click on ending one and do the same. In order to disable this feature completely, tap on this gray switcher next to all day. Now tap on location section, type in an address of your happening or select map next to location. Pick while using the app or only this time. Click on the search bar at the top. Type in wherever you wish to. Click on the correct result and finally tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now click on this little calendar icon. Set up one of your email addresses if you have more than one, and pick one of those sections. I will go with this email. You can also click on Day Before Event, pick one of those options, customize it, or disable alerts completely by tapping on this blue switcher at the top. Now click on Don't Repeat. Select one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year, or tap on Don't Repeat at the top to disable this option. Finally, you can add video conference, take some notes, invite people, and tap on Save at the bottom right corner to save your event. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on it over here and selecting Edit at the bottom. Now make your changes. You can always discard them by choosing Cancel at the bottom left corner, or save them by clicking Save at the bottom right one. If you wish to get rid of your event completely, tap on it again, choose Delete at the bottom right corner, and tap on Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!